Today I'm going to make a fish dish. A fish that is grilled in banana leaf. In Kerala, it's an exquisite dish, and I've liked having this. For the past 20 years I've been coming to Kerala, every time I've tried it. And you know what? All these delicacies in these 5 stars up to the street market present it in their own way. I'm going to try it my way. So here's the banana leaf, and I'm going to show you how we go through the process. We take any steak fish. The fish should be hard enough. It shouldn't be very soft and fragile. So take any fish. Here we have a sear fish. 2 steaks are there. We can either take steaks or something like a pomfret, but here we have steaks. We take these steaks and marinate them in the masala or the spices. Let me go through the spices with you. We have, as always, salt, chili, turmeric and black pepper. Make it into a paste and coat it up. Leave it to marinate. Once it's marinated, give it about 2 to 3 hours, I guess, leave it there. Then put this on the banana leaf. The next step, let's oil the leaf so that it doesn't stick. And then we place the steak on it, which is marinated on both the sides. We then fold it and tie it. Let me do that with you. Come on, let's enjoy doing this. You know, fish is so potent as a food. It's almost like you can call it brain food, because it's a huge resource when it comes to omega-3, the fatty acids. And yes, of course, we have so many minerals and vitamins in it. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B, B complex. So it's really a very, very rich, potent brain food. And then we tie this. So now it's ready for grilling. Let's put the final touch to it, and here it is, ready. So the pan is now warm. It has been greased with some oil in there. We can feel it. We now place this, slide it in very slowly into the oil, and there it goes. We do need to cover it. Let's wait. The aroma, it's just so enticing. Look at my grilled fish, my Meen Pollichathu. So let's now open it and see. The Pandora box, the countdown begins. And here you are. And you open it. Now this is amazing, seriously. Just look at the colors and the aroma, it's so tempting. So this is one of the cuisines, but there are many other traditional cuisines that have been listed on the website. Try out, go and check out keраlatourism.org. Explore, celebrate this contest by participating, enroll, make your videos, send to us and win the competition. Let's try.